Hello, I'm Parker Hassenflug, and welcome to my CISS 220 final project presentation. To start, I'm going to show you my HTML and CSS pages, and then I will show you how those look on the actual website. So here is my hiking home HTML page. This is the first web page of my website. As you can see here, we have a header image, and that is linked to the hiking references.html page. So that's a cool little link that I put in there on the image, and I will show you that in a second. We go after the header, we have an aside, and we have the heading, welcome travelers, followed by a paragraph. And then below that, we have a div element and navigation, and these are navigational tile images. And was also have, let me take you to the CSS page, and I will show you how everything is styled. So it has a green background, and you can see the header image here takes up the whole web page, or whole width of the web page. And then we go down to the navigation elements. And there's a nice box shadow on those too, so those tiles really pop off the screen. And the aside and the footer. Now I will show you how that looks. So these are those tiles. Scroll back up to the top. Tread and Trodden Trails with Parker and Kayla, the JPEG. Nice little paragraph, the brown and green, because I wanted this to be outdoor colors. And cool thing about these is that these are all links. So we can click on the first one, Mount Marcy here. And this is going to bring us to the mountmarcy.html page. And we'll scroll down through. You see a different header image here at the top, followed by a horizontal navigation menu. And as we scroll over the top of these, as we hover, you can see that these turn from brown to black to let you know which one you are on. We scroll down a little more. You can see that we have left side, and the right side, 4 images on each page on the right side. And then on the left side, there will be a paragraph and another image or two, followed by some clickable links that will bring you to alltrails.com, where you will find the actual trail pages. Click on one of those quick. So this is the trail for Mount Marcy. That brings you right to the AllTrails page. We're going to back up. Now I will show you how this page looks as the actual HTML page. So when we go to the top, you can see the navigation list in the header image, which is also linked to the references page. Go down, we have more div elements. We have a container class, a left class, and a right class. That's how I got those to be side by side. And these are the 4 images. And then a little footer with my name at the bottom. And I will then show you layout for that. So this is the layout I used for all of the mountain pages. And as you can see, it's all sectioned off. HTML and body styles, header image, heading, your container class, and your right class and your left class. One more, these are the navigation styles at the top of the screen. And visited, hover, so this is how I change the color of when you're over the top. And so these are all So we have one for Algonquin, Iroquois, and Wright, one for Big Slide, one for Mount Marcy, one for Skylight, and one for Street Nye, all with the same layout. And I will show you how those actually look as web pages. Marcy, we'll go to Algonquin. Clickable image at the top. For images, and then the paragraph section beside it. With Skylight. Same layout with the 4 images on the right and the paragraph on the left. More images above and below that paragraph, as well as clickable link to the alltrails.com trail. Street Nye. And same layout, 4 images from that hike. And on the left side, another image from that hike, a little paragraph about our adventure, and another clickable link to alltrails.com. Next slide. Same story, 4 images. 2 more, one above, one below the paragraph, and another clickable link to AllTrails, and then Be Prepared page. So the beprepared.html has its own style sheet because it's structured a little bit differently. As you can see on the right side, instead of 4 images, there is a video file. And this video is 1 minute and 25 seconds long. And this video talks about things that you need to pack on your hiking trip or wear on your hiking trip. And so that is there on the right. And then on the left, we have another image and a little paragraph followed by a link to the American Hiking Society, where it talks about trail etiquette and leave no trace principles and a whole bunch of other useful information that you can use to prepare for your next outdoor adventure. I will show you the HTML and CSS pages for that. The HTML, see the video controls, there's the video and the link to it. Paragraph and our navigation menu at the top. It's like the other pages. And then the style sheet for that one. We have the div styles with the container and the right and the left. Navigation menu. And there's our video styles. Now, one last thing to show you guys. You can go back to the website. Remember that JPEG image at the top. We click on that. Brings us to our references page. And these are all the images used on my website. And I own all of them because my wife and I took all of them. Let me just show you the HTML and CSS pages for that real quick. Here is the table. Name, location, and user rights, as you saw, and then all the images and the page I found them on, or the page they are found on, and me saying that I own the image. And the styles for that, again, it has the navigation at the top, just like the other pages, so that's all the same. And then here is the styling for the table itself. Adding the border background color for the table heading. The header and heading styles, body styles. And we'll go back to the home page. And that is my website.